NASA's Mars helicopter has run into a bit of trouble after 28 successful flights and well over an entire dusty Earth year into its mission on the Red Planet. One of the 4-pound rotorcraft's navigation sensors has given out, an unfortunate new development, especially considering Martian winter is almost upon it. Extreme temperature swings could soon wreak havoc on the rest of the helicopter's electronics. But the team at NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab says their plucky rotorcraft isn't finished yet. A non-working navigation sensor sounds like a big deal, and it is, but it's not necessarily an end to our flying at Mars, Havard Grip, Ingenuity's chief pilot, wrote in a blog post. The sensor, a type of inclinometer, consists of 2 accelerometers that measure gravity before and after takeoff, allowing the Marscopter to fine-tune its inclination and tilt. But it's also a small part of a much more sophisticated navigation package that also includes a laser rangefinder and navigation camera, which together provide Ingenuity with accurate navigation data. Without the inclinometer, we were forced to find a new way to run the navigation algorithms before we got up, Grip wrote. Fortunately, another instrument, called the inertia unit, can capture slow speeds and use its own accelerometers to determine the helicopter's initial behavior, albeit less accurately. Now the JPL team will have to send a small patch of software to Mars to Ingenuity, which will teach it to use its sensors differently. In fact, the team barely had to lift a finger, as we prepared the required software patch prior to last year's arrival on Mars and kept it on the shelf for this eventuality, Grip wrote. That means the team expects Ingenuity to fly yet again, its 29th flight, in case you're counting, soon enough.